Wants to hold her head up.
Yeah, just looking around.
It's pretty advanced.
Gentle, gentle.
It's okay. Just give her a pat on the back.
Yeah, good job.
Yay! No more milks.
Good job burping.
Good job, everybody.